Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Pink color, black color, yellow color, dark blue color, purple color, sky blue color, red color, green color, dark green color. Now let's learn some numbers. Yellow color, number 0. Pink color, number 1. Dark green color, number 2. Sky blue color, number 3. Light green color, number 4. Dark blue color, number 5. Red color, number 6. Purple color, number 7. Pink color, number 8. Yellow color, number 9.